Hi friends, today I'm going to tell you how to use the arrow keys to move your sprite. So first we go to the control, then there is a block if else, then we take another if else inside the else, and we take another inside the other else, and then in the last one we take a if then in the else. So here you see 1, 2, 3, 4. So in these 4 blocks we'll go to sensing and fit a space key pressed. So I'll just, to go faster, I'll just start duplicating it. That helps you to do it faster. So instead of space key we will put it to the up arrow. This will put it to the down arrow. This will put it to the right arrow. This will put it to the left arrow. Then we go to motion and we put point in direction, then again duplicate it, put it here, again duplicate it, put it here, again duplicate it, put it here. Then we set it like up arrow should be 0 degrees, that is up. Down arrow should be 180 degrees. Right arrow should be 90 degrees. Left arrow should be minus 90 degrees. Then we'll again put a move 10 steps and we'll just duplicate it everywhere and put it. To show you the code better, I'll just go a bit down, duplicate, and here we again put a duplicate. Now the last thing left is to do put a forever in all of this and events and flag click. So when your flag is clicked, your up arrow is pressed, your sprite goes up, your down arrow is pressed, your sprite goes down. And here I'm controlling my sprite with my arrow keys. To another way to control is that I'll just take one more sprite. Suppose I'll take the cat sprite only, cat. So here is the same cat, but I'll put a different code to it. So this cat's code will be when up arrow, then we'll just duplicate this, put it here, again duplicate this, again duplicate this. So up, down, right, left, and like in the last one we did, point in direction and moves 10 steps. So these are the 2 ways to do it. So these are, I just complete my second way. So down arrow, as we know that in the last code also we discussed, right arrow will be this only, and as in the sprites code. So this is another way. We have clicked the flag, this sprite is in there. So these are our sprites, but they are going out. So there's a new block to set put them in, which is the if on it belongs. We'll just duplicate this also everywhere. So this, put your sprite in. If you're out, So this helps you in your game. Now this both the codes are ready, so I'll first use this sprites code to use only one sprites code. I'll just remove this code and put it here so nothing happens. Now I'll just use this sprites code. It works same. Oh sorry, I forgot to do it. Yep. So this also works the same. Now let's disable the code in this. So here we go. I'll just connect this code here, and now you see. Now if I'm touching here, it bounces back. The other code of this, I'll just name them method 1 and method 2. If you see method 1 sprite, so here you see this sprite is moving faster. So if you see, this code looks long but isn't that long, and it's very easy also. So I would suggest you use method 1, but if you want your sprite to go slow, you can use method 2 also. Bye.